The Evolution of the Soul. Part 1. The Waves of Souls. Question. In my personal diagnostics it is written that my soul appeared 2 million years ago. How much is it? Is it considered to be a young soul or ancient soul? Answer. The massive outburst of the new souls goes out with a certain frequency. The souls of 95% of the population living on planet Earth in this period formed over the past 2 to 3 million years. The majority of the people now on Earth belong to the nearest 3 waves of souls. Almost all people of the fourth caste, magicians, saints, people who have a serious level of development related to the fourth wave, that happened about 3 million years ago. The people of the fourth wave make up to 15 to 20% of those living on the Earth now. Let me tell you more information about the main waves of souls. Part 2. The second wave of the souls. Time of existence of 2 formation wave of souls, 500,000 years, 900,000 years ago. Mind focus are usually between Swadhisthana, Manipura. In this case almost all the girls in the photo have the mind focus just below the navel. Representatives of the second wave differ in that they are quite beautiful in appearance. But they have pretty little experience. And they are quite simple. People of the second wave on Earth make up 25% of the population. Observation: 65% of photo models second formation wave of souls. Many of the representatives of the second wave are very cute. They have a certain beauty of the body. Part 3. The fifth wave of the souls. This wave of birth of souls took place 3 to 4 million years ago. Usually these people are kept apart. From the characteristics, they still have one frequency band below Muladhara. They have a small background negativity towards people. An interesting feature, almost all thieves in law are of fifth wave. Among professional criminals 70%, fifth wave. Plus, on the fifth wave there is a rather intensive flow of 6 Kabbalah arcana, which makes these people attractive. For example, Shakira, Alla Pugacheva, corresponds to the fifth wave. Part 4. The seventh wave of the souls. Here is an interesting photo of souls, the girls of the seventh wave. The start of this wave was about 7 million years ago. People of seventh wave always keep apart from other people. They are very few and very rare. There are about 5% of souls of seventh wave. You can meet them very rarely. If you look, the mind focus of the girls in the photo is not very high. They both have the same position, the mind focus at the level of the Manipura. What is interesting is their special, very heavy earthy energy. This feeling is due to the fact that their mental bodies have 3 frequency bands below Muladhara. If you meet them, most often they do not merge with the team, they have one group and they try to stick together. Part 5. Question: what does ancient and young soul mean? Answer: the souls of people are formed by certain waves. The wave begins, slowly increases, then a pause, and a new wave begins. The last wave began 500,000 years ago and is now ending. It is almost over, and the souls of new wave are beginning to appear. Those souls that were formed in the first wave, closest to us, are the people of the first or second caste. Periods of mass ejection of new souls were observed in the universe. Such periods occur approximately every 500,000 years. The souls that originated in the earlier series of the birth of the monad are called the more ancient, 5, 6, 7 wave. Souls that originated in one of the later periods are called young souls, first, second wave from the present moment. The matrix for the new wave of souls includes the cumulative experience gathered by the previous wave of souls. It turns out that with each new wave, younger souls have a more perfect matrix, and older souls have more experience. Ancient souls have a germ of the soul that is not so developed, but their accumulated evolutionary experience is enormous. Younger souls, their soul germ is more developed, bears the imprint of ancient knowledge, but the personal experience gained is small. Each soul is formed millions of years. There were even more ancient waves of souls. Sometimes souls of 10 to 12 waves, 10 to 15 million years ago, are found, but they are quite rare. The feeling of being close to such people is rather strange. as if you are in an old cellar. It is quite difficult to describe in words. Usually, the people of the ancient waves find it harder to be with people of later castes, and they like to pile up together. Diagnostics of when you appeared on planet Earth and what kind of birth wave of souls you have is carried out within Service the magic map of the personality.